mic on? Yes. Well, there's the start of a video. Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So, I haven't poured this one on my main channel yet. I've only done the one that says keys, but I wanted to pull it out because I really like this mold and I want to show you guys how cool it is once it's all nicely poured and demolded. So, we're going to do this one today. To be honest with you, I'm not sure what colors I want to do. I know on Tuesday's video I said the exact same thing. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here, so, you know, I was thinking that I might dust it with some different chameleon powders, because I have them over here next to me, but I'm not entirely sure what I want to do. So, it's a fly by the seat of your pants kind of week here on my channel. So hopefully you guys are into that. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get some resin mixed up, get this pouring. Super simple week. I've been kind of down in the dumps lately, so this is just me trying to nudge my way back in. Okay? Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Alright, this is a random bonus unmolding. On Tuesdays, I showed you the little hexagons. And I told you I was going to put them into these with the clear. But then I was like, I don't feel like it. So, what I ended up doing was just using the stones. These little stones, just throwing them on top, and then the black on top of that. You know, they're not the most elaborate thing, but they'll do. They're very pretty. Yeah, what do you guys think? All right, that is today's bonus unmolding. All right, friends, so this is cured. I'm excited to see how it looks with the dusting. I'm trying not to look at it. Okay, so let's do this. Let's pull these out. Like I said, I'm trying not to look at it yet. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, that is real pretty. That's really cool. Okay. Oh yeah, I like these. Nope, I forgot that I did 3 purple and 2 gold, which are coming up green. The gold is looking much more green for some reason. Not sure why. Okay. Oh, probably because it's against black. But yeah, they're great. Obviously, you know, some of the hearts are a little bit holding on a little bit better than others, but just like the one with the keys, I have tested this, and when you lift it up and put it up against a wall, the hearts are not, they're not falling out. Those are good and stuck in there, so you don't have to worry about, you know, coming home, trying to put your keys away, and then your keys just fall on the floor, you know. But yeah, I really like this one. I like this one a lot. Let me know what you guys think. I love these molds. If you are a crafter who sells at like craft shows and stuff, by the way, if you do, let me know where you find them. I'm not going to pay a website money to tell me where the craft shows are in the area. I'm just not going to do it. But yeah, let me know where you guys get your craft show information. But you can make a bunch of these in different colors. And yeah, they would, I think they would fly off the shelves in a heartcake. Anyway, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.